Share wahala not too much like this, my viewers. Anyways, for those of now where they watch me, I greet all of you. Today tori na about one man wey don go dey confront police people because of say wetin police go destroy and damage this guy car. Regardless say police stop and say fine, they won't do search and stop. Abi na wetin they call am. I don't know if the police driver where they drive this motor behind don't drink or behind don't smoke igbo. Before we go see now arrest, they say they won't arrest. So before we go see, they don't go jam person motor. You don't hit my car or in board. Now their English begin they spoke by himself. My people beg, make it and follow me watch.
You are stopping me. See what you have done to my car. See what you have done to my car. See what you have done to my car. I want to know why you are stopping me in the first place. Who is going to station with you? What is my offense? What is my offense? You want to search me? Where is your search warrant? You are mumu, sir. Please, we do respect. How are you going to just stop me like that? What is my offense? What is my offense now? These people are just harassing people. Do you know who I am? Because I'm too fresh for you. I'm young. I'm meant to be poor. I'm meant to be walking around, trekking around. No, that is your own business. See, bro. Let's just leave that. Because I'm too fresh for you. I'm young. I'm meant to be.
In fact, this guy English alone, if he keep person, because me why they even listen to everything where this guy they talk. In fact, me I even confused. But Mr. Police Officer, why would you do this to me, car? Or now know the kind person where the guy be? Or now come make this guy now they spoke English anyhow. In which normally now Yoruba this guy supposed speak. But why be saying now go carry and not even get search warrant? Or now go to disturb person so now won't arrest person. And the earlier police stop this thing, the better, because now it be like say it don't too rampant. If person don't dress fine smooth, make you can't go do mistake, say you can't go wear bling put for your neck. Next thing that they won't stop you. They won't search you, they won't check your I beg what you wanna put inside person for one and define. On a house address they inside the person for be waiting exactly on a day define. And this one where they can't do, it don't even make sense at all. Because this damage is on a cost, are they very sure say police no go pay for them. This one where they don't scratch this guy white can they no go pay. They go just they go up and down, they harass people anyhow. If they say they pay now, next thing na go yes na mistake I be na something. And on top you where they arrest, you go still pay money. So I beg Nigerian government, find something to do about this. Make una call on our police into order. Because now on a reason say this one they funny. Until you can't dey inside this situation, and then I go know say this our Nigerian police crazy they worry them. But me I don't see why they harass this guy. Because fine, the guy insulting and saying I be mumu, but he add with due respect, you're a mumu sir. He talk and pleasingly, he know to cost you. So I beg I no see one I want arrest him, make him release him, and make him fix these damages. Soon if I no find something to do about this, I don't dey talk him. Soon the youth they go begin to attack police. Nobody this how we say police they carry gun. Soon some people say go carry their own, they attack them. Because the way we don't do and it don't dey too much. Their own don't dey too, and people for Nigeria don't dey complain. So on our own don't too much. Making us stop this one now. Federal government find something to do about this in our police. My people, now here I go end this matter for today. If you now get anything to talk about making a write inside the comment section. Making us stay tuned for the next video.